Gentleman's recognized.
I came to Congress 7 years ago to do my part to make this country better. Every vote I cast and every policy I help shape must be judged by whether it achieves what my constituents sent me here to accomplish. As each member of this, the People's House, prepares to vote yea or nay tonight, we should all take a moment to remind ourselves of why we are here. Our job is to ensure American employers have the tools and freedom they need to sustain jobs and create jobs. Instead, this bill will destroy jobs at a time when we need them the most. Our job is to ensure freedom, security, and prosperity for future generations. Instead, this bill will be paid for by our children and our grandchildren and our great-grandchildren. Our job is to legislate openly, with integrity and fairness. Instead, this bill is full of backroom deals negotiated behind closed doors. This bill is not what the American people want. They are imploring us to start over with reforms that will bring down health care costs while preserving the relationship between patients and their doctors. This is our last chance to stand up for the people who sent us here and display the courage to prove that we can do better. I reserve the balance of my time.
2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Earlier this month, President Obama said, quote, "Everything there is to say about health care has been said, and just about everyone has said it," close quote. Perhaps he's right. Perhaps everyone in Washington has said all there is to say. The lines have been drawn and the number of undecided votes is dwindling. But perhaps it's time for Washington to stop talking and start listening. I'm listening to the calls coming into my office, 13-1 against this legislation. I'm listening to the residents of Minnesota's 2nd Congressional District who told me during a teletown hall last week 72% of them are opposed to this bill. I'm listening to the small business owners in my state and around this nation who are paralyzed by the fear of new mandates, job-killing taxes, crushing federal deficits, and more government control. I'm listening to the thousands of citizens who traveled to our nation's capital this weekend to tell us in no uncertain terms they want us to kill the bill. I'm listening, and what I'm hearing is the American people shouting, "Stop!" They want us to start over. They want health care reform we can afford. They want reform that will bring down costs without sacrificing quality or personal freedom. Mr. Speaker, they want us to say no to this bill today so we can come back and do better tomorrow. There is no question that there are members in this body, Republicans and Democrats, who are ready to go to work on a much improved bill. The die has not yet been cast. It's not too late. I urge my colleagues, listen to the American people. Vote no. Vote no. I yield back.
Gentleman yields back his time.